Please pay 100% attention so that you will be able to understand. Please avoid all the distraction and focus only on these things. So it will help you to improve your listening and speaking. Remember, practice makes perfect. I don't know what to do anymore. My life is just a mess. I'm not doing well in my studies, my online business is failing, and I can't seem to find a good career.
I'm sorry to hear that, Alia. It sounds like you're going through a tough time.
Yeah, I just feel so hopeless. I don't know how to turn things around.
Well, I can tell you from experience that success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time and effort to build a successful business or career.
I know, but I feel like I'm just not good enough. Maybe I should give up on my dreams.
No, don't ever give up on your dreams. Instead, focus on what you can do to improve your situation. Take some time to reflect on your strengths and weaknesses, and think about what steps you can take to address them.
That's easier said than done. I just feel so overwhelmed.
I understand that it can be overwhelming, but don't let your fears hold you back. Take one small step at a time, and before you know it, you'll be making progress.
I'll try, but it's hard to stay positive when everything seems to be going wrong.
I know it's hard, but remember that your mindset plays a big role in your success. Try to focus on the positives in your life, and surround yourself with people who support and encourage you.
Thank you for your advice, John. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome, Alia. Just remember that you're capable of achieving great things, and don't give up on your dreams.
It's just that I feel like I've tried everything, and nothing seems to be working.
It's normal to feel frustrated and discouraged when things don't go as planned, but that doesn't mean you should give up. Instead, think of this as an opportunity to learn and grow.
That's a good point. I guess I could try to learn from my mistakes and make some changes.
Exactly. Think about what you've learned from your failures, and use that knowledge to make better decisions moving forward. Don't be afraid to try new things or take risks, because that's how you'll discover what works for you.
I never thought of it that way. I always saw failure as a sign that I wasn't good enough.
Failure is not a reflection of your worth or ability. It's simply a part of the learning process. You'll never know what you're capable of if you don't take risks and make mistakes along the way.
I see what you mean. Thank you for helping me see things in a different light.
You're welcome, Alia. Remember that success is not a destination, it's a journey. Keep taking small steps towards your goals, and before you know it, you'll be making progress.
I'll definitely try to keep that in mind. I just feel like I'm so far behind everyone else my age.
Comparison is the thief of joy, Alia. Don't worry about what others are doing or achieving. Focus on your own journey and what you can do to improve your situation.
That's easier said than done. I feel like everyone around me is succeeding, and I'm just stuck.
It's natural to feel that way, but remember that success is subjective. What one person defines as success might be different from what someone else defines as success. Don't compare yourself to others, focus on your own definition of success and what that means to you.
That's a good point. I think I need to redefine what success means to me and focus on achieving that.
Exactly. Don't let societal pressures or external factors define your success. Take control of your own definition and work towards achieving that.
Thank you, John. You've given me a lot to think about.
You're welcome, Alia. I'm always here if you need someone to talk to or if you need any advice.
Please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thanks for watching.